I'm Dr. Benjamin Lindbloom, and I'm one of the orthopedic shoulder and elbow surgeons here at Florida Orthopaedic Institute. I specialize primarily in degenerative and acute injuries about the shoulder and elbow. I specialize in both arthroscopic and open surgeries to treat these conditions. Primarily, disorders of the shoulder are very common in athletes. They're very common as we age. We have degenerative tears of the rotator cuff. We develop arthritic conditions about the shoulder and the elbow. And I have advanced training in the latest and greatest techniques to address these pathologies. I'm proud to be joining Florida Orthopaedic Institute as they've been a pillar of orthopedic care in the Tampa Bay community for years. They have a reputation that is known both locally and on an international scale with the care that they provide for their patients. What originally brought me to Florida was my now senior partners who were my mentors in shoulder and elbow surgery with Dr. Frankle and Dr. Mighell. I'm honored to be practicing alongside them and to continue upholding the rich tradition that FOI has already established. When my wife and I moved here from Texas to the Tampa Bay area, we were pleasantly surprised with how warm everyone was and how readily the community just became to feel like home for us. When the opportunity came to stay here, we felt very comfortable. We welcomed our second daughter during my fellowship here. We've really grown our family here to now where we have our 2 dogs, my 2 daughters, and my wife, and we are happy and proud to call Tampa home. It's very important for me to stay active with my family. I have 2 big German Shepherds. We're always out walking. We're always with our daughters. Allowing my patients to keep what's near and dear to them and keep their activity level up is very important and always at the forefront of what I'm doing. My favorite part of my job is that I get to take an individualized approach to help patients fix their problems and get back on track. When patients are suffering with a shoulder injury, oftentimes they have trouble sleeping, they have trouble picking up their children, they have trouble interacting with their world, they have trouble performing their job. And through our treatment, which is tailored specifically to that patient, we're able to give them back that level of activity and give them back their life.